Ever get that annoying "Are you a robot?" check online? Now imagine that question hanging over an entire AI company. That's the situation DeepSeek, a promising Chinese AI firm, is facing. But is it just a technical glitch? Or is something deeper, something more concerning, going on? The truth might shock you. We're not just talking about a minor inconvenience. We're diving into the heart of trust, data security, and the future of AI innovation. And let me tell you, the implications are huge, not just for DeepSeek, but for the entire global AI landscape. Let's break down what's happening. DeepSeek is a Chinese AI company making waves with its powerful language models. Think of it as China's answer to OpenAI. They're developing impressive technology, but recently, users have been encountering these "Are you a robot?" challenges far more frequently than usual. It's happening on their APIs, their demos, basically everywhere. The question is, why? Some say it's simple security measures, but others suspect something far more complex. This isn't just about a few CAPTCHAs. It's about the perception of trustworthiness and the potential for bias in AI systems. We're talking about the very foundation upon which AI is built. Is DeepSeek's technology being unfairly targeted, or is there a legitimate reason for concern? We're going to unpack this layer by layer. The error message itself points to issues with JavaScript and cookies. Now, for the non-techies, JavaScript is the code that makes websites interactive, and cookies are small files that websites use to remember your preferences. When these aren't working correctly, websites think you might be a bot. This could be due to a number of factors. First, there could be a problem with DeepSeek's website or API configuration itself. Maybe a recent update introduced a bug that's triggering these checks. Second, users might be blocking JavaScript or cookies through their browser settings or extensions, causing the system to flag them. Third, and this is where things get interesting, there could be more sophisticated bot activity targeting DeepSeek services. To understand the potential for AI security, it's critical to research the adversarial machine learning field, particularly the work done by Goodfellow et al. On adversarial examples. Goodfellow, I.J., Schlens, J., and Seghetti, C. 2014. Explaining and Harnessing Adversarial Examples. AR14 Preprint AR14, 1412.6572. This highlights how easily AI systems can be fooled. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. China's reputation regarding data security and privacy. There's a widespread perception in the West that Chinese companies are inherently susceptible to government influence and data access. This perception, whether entirely accurate or not, creates a cloud of suspicion around any Chinese AI firm. When users see these "Are you a robot?" checks, it reinforces those existing concerns. They start to wonder if their data is being monitored, if the AI is being manipulated, or if there's a hidden agenda at play. It's a PR nightmare. This isn't just about technical glitches, it's about trust. And trust is everything in the AI world. People need to feel confident that their data is safe and that the AI is being used responsibly. Can DeepSeek overcome this inherent distrust? That's the million-dollar question. The geopolitical context is crucial here. The US and China are locked in a technological Cold War, particularly in the field of AI. Any perceived vulnerability or security flaw in a Chinese AI system will be seized upon by Western critics. This creates a self-fulfilling prophecy. The more suspicion there is, the more scrutiny DeepSeek faces, and the more likely it is that any technical issues will be amplified and interpreted negatively. It's a constant uphill battle. DeepSeek is not just competing with other AI companies. They're competing with deeply ingrained geopolitical biases. And that makes their challenge infinitely harder. Is DeepSeek a victim of circumstance, or is there something more substantial behind these concerns? The answer likely lies somewhere in between. There are two very different schools of thought on how to address these concerns. One camp believes that transparency and open-source development are the key. By making their code and data publicly available, DeepSeek could allow independent researchers to verify the security and fairness of their AI. Think of it like an open audit. However, the other camp argues that open-sourcing sensitive AI technology could be risky, potentially allowing malicious actors to exploit vulnerabilities or copy their innovations. They believe that strong internal security measures and rigorous testing are the best defense. The key is to find a balance between transparency and security. How can DeepSeek demonstrate its trustworthiness without compromising its intellectual property or creating new security risks? Let's break down adversarial robustness techniques, specifically focusing on certified robustness, such as that proposed by Wang et al., Wang, T., Gowell, S., Dvigatham, K., and Penat D. 2018. Towards certified robustness against adversarial examples. AR-14 preprint AR-14, 1802.0486. This methodology is designed to provide provable guarantees on the AI's behavior under attack. It's a game changer, but complex to implement. Here's a method DeepSeek could use to build trust. They should invite independent security experts to conduct thorough audits of their systems. These audits should focus on identifying potential vulnerabilities, biases, and security risks. The results of these audits should be made public, even if they reveal some flaws. Transparency is key. By openly acknowledging and addressing any issues, DeepSeek can demonstrate its commitment to responsible AI development. This is not about perfection, it's about accountability. It's about showing the world that they're taking data security and ethical considerations seriously. And that's the only way they can truly shake off the doubts and build a lasting reputation for trustworthiness. It's a bold move, but one that could pay off handsomely in the long run. So, what does all this mean for the future? The DeepSeek situation highlights the growing importance of trust and transparency in the AI industry. As AI becomes more powerful and pervasive, it's crucial that we have robust mechanisms in place to ensure its safety and fairness. This is not just a technical challenge, it's a societal one. We need to have open and honest conversations about the ethical implications of AI and how to mitigate potential risks. The future of AI depends on it. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think DeepSeek should do to address these concerns? Do you believe that Chinese AI companies are unfairly targeted? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth analysis of the latest AI news and trends. Your voice matters, so let's start a conversation.